Welcome to this Amazon Affiliate Marketing, step-by-step guide to making money. Amazon is the largest e-commerce platform in the world, and it's also one of the best ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing on Amazon is a great way to get started without a website online, doing affiliate marketing, because you can build up a solid base of products to promote and quickly. If you are familiar with Amazon, you have probably heard of the Amazon Associates program. It's a great way to earn money by referring people to products on Amazon. By using the Amazon search box and linking it to a product page or a specific product you recommend, you can make money with Amazon affiliate marketing on your blog. When someone buys a product you recommend, you get a commission. How to register as an Amazon Associate. Amazon Associates is a popular affiliate program that allows you to earn referral fees for promoting Amazon products and services. You can sign up directly through Amazon, or you can choose to use an existing Amazon Associate. It's really easy. You can register on the Amazon website. Below is the step-by-step guide to register as an associate of Amazon. Step 1. Go to the Amazon website located at www.amazon.com. Step 2. Click on the My Account link found at the top right corner of your screen. Step 3. Sign into your Amazon account. If you've ever purchased anything from Amazon, then you already have an account. If you haven't purchased anything from Amazon, go ahead and create a new account. Find a niche that you want to make money from. Register yourself as an Amazon Associate with your blog URL. 4. Choosing the right product to promote on Amazon. First, you need to choose a niche. A niche is simply a category of product. For example, you might decide to only sell products related to men's grooming. The reason you want to choose a niche is so that you can focus on selling only the products people are most likely to buy. To figure this out. 4. Choosing the right product to promote on Amazon. First, you need to choose a niche. A niche is simply a category of product. For example, you might decide to only sell products related to men's grooming. The reason you want to choose a niche is so that you can focus on selling only the products people are most likely to buy. To figure this out, I would advise you to write a product review and, if feasible, include images and video of the product. Make sure your prices are competitive. On Amazon, you may check out your competitors by using the Compare It function, which displays the lowest price for a specific product, including shipping. 7. Congratulations on your first sale. So, what's next? If you've just made your first Amazon sale, there are a few things you can do to increase your sales and expand your affiliate business. You should send a thank you email to the buyer after your first transaction. This is an excellent habit to have because it demonstrates that you value your customer's business. If you have a terrific product, getting a review from an influential blogger in your niche is a brilliant idea. This will increase your sales while also allowing you to receive more good reviews from others. To gather emails, you should, also, create an opt-in page. Give individuals a cause to join your email list when you're creating it. This will aid in the growth of your email list and the development of a community of individuals who trust you and anticipate the information you put out. After your first Amazon sale, the fourth thing you should do is add your affiliate links to your opt-in page. Not only will you be able to profit from the links, but people will regard your site as a reliable source of high-quality information, which will encourage them to stay on your mailing list for longer. Finally, collect email addresses through content upgrades, guest posts, and social media. You have the chance to engage with high-value readers in a way that will help you grow your business in the long run. Collecting email addresses via content upgrades, guest posts, social networking, and as an Amazon affiliate is a lot easier. It isn't a challenging job. By collecting emails automatically, you will develop your subscriber list, improve traffic to your blog or social media platform, and make more money. That is precisely what you wish to accomplish. 8. Last but not least, while this method may take some time to pay off, the result will be well worth it when you consider how much money individuals spend on Amazon. If you want to learn more about Amazon affiliate marketing or if you have any queries regarding affiliate marketing, please subscribe today. To summarize everything, while this method may take some time to pay off, the result will be well worth it when you consider how much money consumers spend on Amazon products. You've been given some terrific information in this video today, so if you want to learn more about Amazon affiliate marketing or if you have any questions regarding affiliate marketing, don't